Hey funders, just an update. So first thing is progress on that last run. No progress, but I do have the estate agent. He's been calling me, asking me what I've been doing. Have I found any solicitors to do this signing? Which, no, I haven't. But he spoke to one, put me in touch with them to say, oh, they've been doing these interviews, maybe he'll do it. So I got in touch with him and he's like, no, I'm not going to take your case. So they thought that was strange. Then he put me in touch with another one and they are doing it, but to a distance. So I've got in touch with them, I sent them documents. Hopefully this one's going to happen. So just waiting for confirmation. But it sounds good. There's one close to me as well, but the fees are quite high. It's for one appointment to do a signing, £300 plus VAT. So it's £360 for something that takes 15 minutes. I don't know. Probably should have been a lawyer, solicitor. But that's that. Now you may see this ladder here. What have I been up to? I've been installing a security light up on the side of the house for my tenant. This was one of the things we spoke about when he first moved in. Security light doesn't work, so he would like one fitted so that when he's out in the back garden he's got the light, letting the dogs out and such. So I bought the light. I've done them before, I've done it in my own house and installed it. So the good thing about me is that I'm a quite hands-on kind of guy, and I do a bit of DIY, so fixing boilers or doing a bit of basic wiring I could do myself. Yes, there's still certain things I wouldn't touch, even some things with electricals I wouldn't touch, but you know, I find my way about. So that saved me a call out of whatever an electrician would have cost, putting one of them up on the roof. I wasn't able to do it on the ladder. I had to use a ladder, climb up onto the roof, walk across the roof to get them on, because it has an extension. But if I got a spark to do that, maybe 100 quid. So yeah, saved a bit in that. I do it myself. I'm going to do the other house as well. I've got all of my tools. At least I know what's what. So he's happy. Other tenant is getting one on the way. Talking to solicitors, so I've got progress there. What's not to like? Oh yeah, one flat is still empty. It's not getting a lot of interest. I was going to take the first person that came along, but he found something else. Hey ho, that's how business is sometimes, and it's a bit bad for everyone. But what I'm doing with that flat is I'm paying out of my own pocket. Luckily the only thing I do need to pay is the mortgage, and I can quite comfortably pay that out of my day job, so just doing that. Why? Because if you were to do a payment holiday, what they don't tell you about a payment holiday is, well, it's probably out there anyway, the info, but a payment holiday is a break from payment. It doesn't mean you don't need to pay it, it just means you need to pay it back at a later time. So that money gets spread amongst all the other payments in future. So it'll get added up and split across however many instalments you have left. So the good thing is I don't need to pay now. The bad thing is every other future payment is going to be more. Every payment. So take a hit now for a little bit, or take a hit forevermore and have less cash flow forevermore. So it's pretty much the same thing, now or later. I just prefer to take the hit now, so I'm not taking the hit later on. But that's that. So there's my update for now. Thanks for watching. I'll let you know when something else happens. Cheers.